My name is Janelle Bellis, and I got started in LadyBoss about a year ago in September. I found an ad on Facebook for cravings crushers, and that was the tipping point for me. Like anyone, we all have cravings, and we all want to figure out how we can have our cake and eat it too. And I clicked on the link and followed all the signs with it and went from there.
That's awesome. Yeah. So, what was your breakthrough since then? What's been?
My breakthrough just with LadyBoss, or just since becoming a LadyBoss?
Yeah. When was that, and what did it look like?
My breakthrough came when I recognized that this was a true lifestyle. And that's what I was looking for at the time. Beyond cravings crushers, I was looking for how am I going to make being healthy and working out and eating properly, fueling my body, something that went just beyond a 20-pound weight loss. When I get to here, then I'll stop? No, I didn't want that. I wanted to figure out how I could make this a lifetime effort.
Very cool. I love hearing that. Yeah. So if you hadn't done that and you hadn't taken that jump, where do you think you'd be without it?
Probably living the same year over and over again. Yeah. Unhealthy, overweight.
Well, you're here, so don't have to worry about that. And I know I saw you're in the coaching program. That's awesome.
I am.
How long have you been in there?
For nearly a year.
Wow.
So a year in November.
Okay. Nice. So what's that been like? What's been your takeaway, your big learning lessons, revelations through that process?
Well, basically with the coaching program, I've learned how to fine-tune my journey. And, having a coach has really helped set a higher standard. Not only just following the LadyBoss program, but again, fine-tuning what I can do here to achieve this result, and what I can do this time that maybe didn't work so well for me to get to where I want to be.
Yeah, nice. I love that. What would you say, because it's a big commitment, it's a year, and I actually work with coaching, and I talk to a lot of ladies that feel like it's too expensive, or I just can't do that right now, or I need to think about it. What do you say to someone who's in that position, but at the end of the day, they know they need to make a big change?
I would say give it a shot. Try it. You can always make money, but you may not have this opportunity again down the road to try the coaching program. It's a limited, from what I understand, it's a limited time slot or space, and why not? What do you have to lose except some weight and maybe some old habits?
That's awesome. So what's been the most fun out of being in LadyBoss? What have you enjoyed the most?
I've really enjoyed the Facebook group and the camaraderie. That's one of the biggest things that I didn't have before. I had trainers in the past prior to LadyBoss. I didn't have that level of accountability though. It's one thing to have one person that you're paying to tell you what to do, but it's quite another to be involved in a group of women who are on all different locations of the journey, who know exactly what you're going through. People to relate to, and then of course coming to LadyBoss Live and seeing those people in person, it's so surreal.